Hello friends, you are welcome to my YouTube channel MacPM. So in this question we have to find the deflection at this point C and maximum deflection in this beam. In this beam there are two reaction forces and moment of 300 kilonewton meter is acting at point C, and we have to calculate the deflection by using Macaulay's method. So you can read the question. A horizontal beam AB is simply supported at A and B, which are 6 meter apart. The beam is subjected to clockwise couple of 300 kilonewton meter at a distance of 4 meter from the left end as shown in figure. Value of E and I are given. We have to determine the deflection at point where couple is acting, so at point C, and the maximum deflection. So what we will do, first of all we have to determine the reactions. So if we take the moment about point A, then sum of all the moments about point A should be 0, because here it is resting at support. So RB into 6 is equal to the 300. This is counterclockwise, this is clockwise, so it will be equal. So RB is 300 divided by 6, so it will be 50 kilonewton. Now RA, sum of all the vertical forces should be 0. So RA plus RB is equal to 0, because there is no other vertical force. So RA will be equal to minus RB, which will be equal to minus 50 kilonewton. This is minus, means this force RA is acting from up to downward side, so it is opposite. Okay, so let's write the equation of moment. So mx, let's consider a section here at x distance from A, because in Macaulay's method we have to select a section and in last part of the beam. So we have selected section here, so we will write mx is equal to, due to this force RA, bending moment will be negative because it is hogging moment, so it will be minus 50 into x plus this will be dotted vertical line to separate these two parts, plus 300 Newton meter, it is already kilonewton meter is already given. So mx is this. So there is nothing in case of, sorry, in the here we have nothing in form of distance. So to represent in form of distance from the point A, we can write it as x minus 4. This is x, so this distance is x minus 4 to the power 0, because x minus 4 to the power will be 0 will be 1, so there will be no difference. If we multiply 1 into 300, it will be already 300, so we can write it in this way. So it will be equal to EI d2y upon dx2. So this is equation number 1. If you do the integration, then we will get EI dy upon dx is equal to minus 50 x square by 2 plus c1 plus 300 into x minus 4 to the power 1. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Then if we will do the integration again, then EIy is equal to minus 25 into x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus c1x plus c2 plus 300 into x minus 4 to the power 2 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the equation number 3. So what we have in boundary condition, so in boundary condition at x is equal to 0, means at this support A deflection is 0, and at x is equal to 6 meter deflection is 0, because these two are the supports. So if we put this value in equation number 3, then we will get 0. First condition in this equation, 0 is equal to 0 plus c2. This point A is in the first portion of the beam, so we will consider only first portion, we will not consider this portion, so we will get c2 is equal to 0. Now if we apply the second condition, at x is equal to 6 meter, y is equal to 0, so at this point x is equal to 6 meter, we have to go through the both section, so we will consider the whole term. So we will get 0 is equal to minus 25 by 3 x is 6 cube plus c1 into 6 plus 150 into 6 minus 4 is 2 to the power 2. So we will get this will be minus 1800 plus 6c1 plus 600 is equal to 0. So c1 will become 1800 minus 600 divided by 6, so it will become 200. So we can put the value of c in this equation, in equation number 2 and equation number 3. So we will get ei dy by dx is equal to minus 25 x square plus c1 is 200 plus 300 x minus 4. So this is equation number 4 for deflection for slope, and we have eiy is equal to minus 25 by 3 f cube plus 200x plus 150 x minus 4 to the power 2. This is equation number 5. This will represent the deflection. So what we have to find? We have to find the deflection at point where couple is acting. So couple is acting at 4 meter. So at x is equal to 4, y is equal to what? So x is equal to 4 is in first section, so we will consider only first section. So ei y c is equal to, if we consider the first section only, then we will get only up to here minus 25 by 3 into y x is 4 to the power cube plus 200 into 4. Okay, so it will become minus 533.33 plus this will become 800, so it will be plus 266.67 kilonewton meter cube. So if we will convert into Newton mm cube, then it will become 266.67 into 10 to the power 12 Newton mm cube. So yc will become this value 266.67 into 10 to the power 12 divided by ei. So e and I already given in the question, so we will put these values. E is given as 2 into 10 to the power 5 into I is given as 2 into 10 to the power 8. So if we will divide this, then you will get 6.66 mm. It is coming positive, means deflection will be upward. So means you will get deflection like this. Okay, so deflection is 6.66 mm. Now we have to find the maximum deflection. So maximum deflection will occur at the point where slope is 0. So we have the equation for slope. We have the equation for slope dy by dx. Ei dy by dx is equal to, from here, minus 25 x square plus 200. We will consider only first part, because from here you can see that maximum deflection will occur somewhere here in this first portion. So we will consider only first portion. So it will become 0. So 25 x square is equal to 200. So x square will be equal to 200 divided by 25. So it will become 8. So x will become root 8 will be equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so at x is equal to 2 root t, maximum deflection will occur. And what will be the deflection? Eiy max is equal to what we have in the deflection equation. Eiy is minus 25 by 3 into 2 root 2 to the power cube plus 200 into 2 root 2 from here. Okay, now we will try to find the values of this. So if you will calculate this, then you will get minus 188.56 plus 565.68. so it will be equal to minus 377.12 kilonewton meter cube. So it will be equal to 377 point, sorry, it will become plus because this is 565 minus 188, so plus 377.12 into 10 to the power 12 Newton mm cube. So maximum deflection Y max will be equal to this value upon EI. So 377.12 into 10 to the power 12 divided by E is 2 into 10 to the power 5 and I is 2 into 10 to the power 8. So if you will calculate this, then you will get 9.428 mm. It is positive, means it will be in upward direction. So we have solved this question by using Macaulay's method. So if you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. I hope you understand this question. If you like this question, then please share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.